AirPods Pro 2. Get massive $95 discount for Black Friday. Available for just $153.99. Black Friday deals keep rolling in, and today we're tracking a new record low price on the AirPods Pro 2 USB-C on Amazon. You can get these headphones for $153.99, down from $249. Before Black Friday 2024, these were typically priced around $189.99 on sale. So today's price is a massive discount on the AirPods Pro 2. The AirPods Pro 2 were updated in 2023 with USB-C and also feature active noise cancellation, Apple's H2 chip, and spatial audio. You can find all the Apple Black Friday deals currently available in our dedicated videos. For everything else, we're keeping track of all of the season's best Apple-related deals in our Black Friday roundup. So be sure to check back throughout the month for an updated list of all the most notable discounts you'll find for Black Friday 2024, like what you just watched. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for engaging articles, exclusive content, and the latest updates.